How to get Dairy Factory in Cookie Run Kingdom full guide. Now, the Dairy Factory is a building for producing various types of dairy goods. So, in order to specifically get the Dairy Factory, this is available to build upon upgrading the Cookie Castle to level 6. So after a milk wheel has been placed, a second becomes available from the build list. But mainly, of course, for your first one, all you have to do is upgrade the Cookie Castle over here to level 6. So just go ahead and follow the progress to max so that you can level it up using the materials that is needed. And once you have done so, you can go ahead to your builds over here, and it should directly be at the left, but just to show, the dairy factory should be here and will be available for you to build. But anyways, that is how you get the dairy factory in Cookie Run Kingdom. So if this video can help you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.